Hi everyone, welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. Today we're going to learn one way to plan out your knit or crochet gifts. Okay, let's get started. I'm using a notebook for this, but you can use any piece of paper you want to. What we're going to do first is make a project idea list. So I'll show you what that might look like. I'm going to write project ideas at the top of the page here. And basically, we're just going to keep a continual list of different project ideas that either we've seen online or that we've thought of, and ones that we think might make good gifts. So I'll show you what that might look like. So I might write bag from X website, or scarf from X website. So it's just going to be a very continual list. We're just going to be keeping a log of different things that you think of or that you see online that you think might make good gifts. Okay, so now for the next part of this, you're going to start a list of a bunch of dates. So whether those dates are for birthdays or anniversaries or weddings of people you know, you're just going to start making a list of all those dates. So I would write birthdays / special events, and then as you think of them, you're just going to write down people's birthdays that you'll want to give them a gift for on that day, or different special events that you want to give someone a gift for that too. So I might write June 19th is this person's birthday, or so-and-so's wedding on November 10th. And just as you think of them, write down these dates that you think you'll want to give someone a gift for on that day. So now that we've made these lists, and hopefully this one will be getting pretty long over a certain period of time, you're going to want a lot of ideas on here. And so what you're going to do now is, let's say it's March, April, May, and you see, oh, this person has a birthday on June 19th. What you're going to do is, to start planning for that, you're going to pick something from your list of project ideas, which will hopefully be longer than this, and you're just going to find a project gift idea that you think this person would like for this June 19th birthday, and then find a yarn that will suit that pattern from your stash, or choose a yarn from a store that you want to buy, and just pair it together. So pick your gift, pair it with your yarn, make it, and then give it to this person. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day!